how to turn off green active dot on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, the green dot basically means the activity status of you and your friends. So, if you want to disable the green dot, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You tab and then tap on the Messages and Story Replies option. Further, tap on the Show Activity Status option and go ahead and toggle off the Show Activity Status toggle button, and with this, the green dot will no longer appear. So, this is how you can turn off green active dot on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.